We opened the Yokomo shipment today, didn't we?
You did.
Well, you did.
Oh, I did.
You did. It's rare. You've actually done something as opposed to... We've got this.
What do you got there, Tony?
We've got the new RS 2.0. A lot of you will know that I'm currently running an RS 1.0, the earlier model. Brett's got one as well. Very much the entry-level Yokomo car. Hasn't got all the flash stuff on it, but Brett has already proven that it's more than capable.
I drove it at Bendigo last year as well.
Yeah, and it's a really, really good... I'm going to disprove that because in my hands, it'll be shit.
No, we will be surprised.
Well,
but that was the RS1. This is the RS2, which is...
in hamburger terms, this is a real junior burger without cheese.
That's right. So what they've done is they've simplified it even more, made it even more affordable.
Yep.
And the main difference is being the chassis.
Yep.
So we're going to do the chop.
We're going to open this up.
All right, let's do some chop. Oh,
do I have to buy this now?
I don't know. We'll discuss that later. All right, shall we go to the top camera?
That's what usually happens. Brett says, no, you've opened it. You have to buy it.
All right, what have we got here? Okay.
Oh, we got a sticker sheet.
Yes.
Tsukuba RC Arena stickers too.
Yes. Oh, look, Tony P's on.
Thanks
for joining us.
Yep.
There you go. There's the manual.
We've got that.
Okay, so we've got arms. Well, basically, the arms are unchanged, right?
They're the same. They're exactly the same as on my one.
Yes.
Shock oil.
Some lube.
Bit of lube. Can't go wrong with that. I haven't seen anything here that it isn't in my 1.0 kit. I'm just going to pull all this out.
Yeah.
And
because that's the main difference, right?
Yeah.
Okay, main difference being a injection molded chassis.
Commendably stiff.
Well,
surprisingly.
The one has a fiberglass chassis.
Yeah.
And you see that the two has actually got a couple of uprights here, which will add to the stiffness.
And it's got all the molding down the center.
That's right. There's a full spine with the engine mount locators in there.
They've
thought
about
front
this.
to back is very stiff, and then you've still got a bit of movement side to side.
So no upper plate, same. I don't think. He says
no. So there'll be plastic top plates.
At the instructions.
So these are great beginners. Entry into racing, aren't they? Well, even if you want something for
it's definitely
now and again, or you want a speed car, this would be a perfect base for it.
Yeah. If we
what do you got there?
Look on here now.
Okay,
front
so molded,
and rear upper plates.
Molded top plates.
Yep.
And being the molded top plates, because when we spoke to Yokomo about the RS1 has very limited room for big pinions.
Yes, as I've discovered.
And so it's been redesigned to accommodate large
accommodate
pinions.
that.
Yes.
Yeah, I certainly found that trying to gear it for a 21.5, the pinion hit the top deck.
Yes, and so if you wanted to gear this crazy as well for like velodrome,
you could do it.
Yes, certainly.
And the aftermarket people will be out with carbon versions of these very quickly. So
I'm sure.
Well, a lot of it is similar, but I can certainly the battery holder and everything is all. That looks like I'm not sure what that says. Rear sidebar.
So that's a brace here for to protect the motor. A little Nerf bar for the motor.
Yeah.
So more for for bashing around in case you hit curbs and such.
Yeah.
So you don't take off the end bell of your motor because that'll be.
So there's a bit of thought.
Tears, wouldn't it?
Yep. Bit of thought behind this. Certainly, I had a customer in before who was umming and ahhing about going entry level with a Kyosho Phaser or a TT02, and I was trying to steer him in the direction of the 1.0 or the 2.0 because you can definitely upgrade these to run at a competitive level.
For sure. And there'll be a lot of people that are not too sure whether they want to invest huge dollars in an expensive machine.
Yep.
Because some of the lower classes, you still need a decent machine.
Yeah.
And at least this has all the geometry of a full comp car with cheaper components.
Yeah, it's definitely the way to go. We don't have a final price on it yet because we literally only got them in today, but it will be very competitive.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, how good is it? Well, there's the biggest difference there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the main thing. The rest of it,
yes.
I'm not going to bother opening all that. It's just going to be the same as what we've already got.
Well, we know that.
Looking at it, it looks very much the same.
Very nice.
So it's a way of getting into a real good competition car for very little bucks.
That's right.
So that'll be a great thing.
No, so that's the newest thing that's arrived from Yokomo. But apart from this, what else is exciting? What have people been messaging you about?
Oh, should I go and get one or not?
Oh, yeah. Might as well.
You just stay here for a minute.
I'll stay here, not move, so everyone thinks it's just all frozen.
Yeah.